À Cannes, le Partouche Poker Tour, c'est la 4e journée et il reste plus que 24 joueurs à la pause dîner et je suis avec le chip leader, le joueur suédois Michael Turniek. Vous vous souvenez peut-être de lui à Londres, il avait terminé en 2e place l'année dernière lors de l'EPT. So Michael, I saw you were counting your chips. How much you got?
A little more than 3 million.
A little more than 3 million. You like absolute chip leader. Can you tell us like what happened?
I had a big pot against Anthony South.
Antoine Saou, yeah, the Frenchman going into the WSOP final.
Yes, he raised and I called with Jack 10 suited and flopped. Flop came King Jack 5, I think.
You had like the top pair
and flush draw.
Yeah.
So he he check, I bet. He calls. Turn is a 10, so I get 2 pair. He checks again, I bet. He checks.
And then he check raise. Not too much.
Not too much.
So what did you think at that point? You think about going all in right now? Or?
No, because if I go all in right there, he's not going to call me with anything worse. So I thought probably he could have ace queen or maybe 3 kings. So at that point, I just
You were looking to improve?
Yeah, I was looking to improve to river. I might be calling river as well, but I really like to improve. And so I call, and the river is deuce of.
You make the flush.
Yeah, I make the flush, and he bets out half his stack. I think for a couple of minutes and go all in, and he calls me after a lot.
That was a very, very long hand. Like lasted for like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Quite intense too. So you thought about very long time on the river before going all in. You did that like to try to make him think you were bluffing or something like that?
Yeah, like if I go all in
right away,
yeah. he probably has an easier fold. But if I think about it, he might think I'm bluffing with king queen or something like that has missed.
Well, that was definitely a incredible hand. And what about the rest of the tournament? How do you been enjoying Cannes and this main event?
Cannes is a very nice city, and this tournament has been very well organized, very good structure, and yeah.
I know you're playing like every hand. Well, you've been playing every hand for like 2 days, right?
I've been playing a lot of hands, yeah.
And you're probably gonna keep doing so.
Hopefully.
All right. Well, thank you, Michael. See you at the final table, I guess.
Thank you. Hopefully.